This is Lori Bolsinger with Crestwood Associates with a demo of Crestwood's auto kitting for Acumatica. In this video, I'll start by looking at a typical kit, discuss Acumatica's standard kit options, then show you our auto kitting solution in action. Here's the scenario. I'm a distributor selling fitness gear, and sometimes I bundle a few items together into a kit, like this elliptical trainer bundle. Looking at the kit specifications, this includes 3 stock items: the elliptical, a heart rate monitor, and a sports bottle. I sell each of these components individually, but bundling these items together and marketing this kit as a 10% savings over buying each item separately has proven to increase my sales volume. In standard Acumatica, I have the choice of setting up a kit as a stock item or a non-stock item. With stock kits, I first need to assemble my kits and have them in stock before I can fulfill a sales order. In my case, I don't ever package my kits together into another box labeled as the elliptical trainer bundle. I just want the warehouse to pick each of these components on the fly. A kit assembly is an extra step. So my next best option in standard Acumatica is to set this up as a non-stock kit. As the name suggests, I do not need to assemble and stock these non-stock kits, but can pick the kit components as I fulfill sales orders. Operationally, this works really well, but on the accounting side, my inventory costing options are limited. Let's go back to my stock kit, which allows for all available valuation methods, including standard, average, FIFO, and specific. Now notice on my non-stock kit, a valuation method option isn't even available, as stock kits only support standard costing. Crestwood's auto kitting combines the best of both kit types and even improves on them. So let's take a look. Back to my elliptical trainer stock kit. In the kit specifications, there is a new option, Allow Auto Kit Assembly. Let's see this in action. I have a sales order that includes a regular stock item and my elliptical trainer. As usual, the bottom of my screen shows me what is available. When I select my kit, I see there are none available, but based on the kit components that are in stock, the system now tells me how many kits I can assemble. Since this kit has been flagged with the Allow Auto Kit Assembly, I have 2 simple choices. Directly from the sales order, I can select Create Kits, then continue with my order fulfillment. But for an even simpler process, I can bypass that step. Since I have the items available to make my kit, I can simply fulfill this order, starting with creating a shipment. In the background, the stock kit is auto-assembled before creating the shipment document. Note as I select my kit, I now see there is one available. If I print out a pick list, the components of the kit are exposed so I can pick my kit on the fly, then continue fulfilling the order as normal. As you can see, Crestwood's auto kitting for Acumatica simplifies the kitting process by 1, providing visibility into the number of kits that can be assembled. 2, it saves time by auto-assembling kits. 3, it'll improve fulfillment by expanding the kit components on the pick ticket. And finally, it enhances financial control, allowing all supported inventory cost valuation methods. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions or want more information, please reach out to your Crestwood Client Account Manager or use the Contact Us links found at crestwood.com.